that'll wrap it up for the amusement park. Put the UFO ride in as seen, along with a couple of the fairground mixer rides. Or, I guess, not really rides, but got the dunk tank, as well as, actually I don't know what that's called. This ride actually will spin. Put the railing in, as well as ice cream machine, or yeah, I guess an ice cream machine. Ticket booth, along with another ticket booth for the 2 rides, as well as first wheel is already in, and still have one more ride to put in, which would be the carousel right here. But other than that, previous video was the quickie mart if you want to check that one out, as well as some of the track. And I forgot to mention, but I think, as you can all see, there's very little to zero minifigures around the city. So we will have to make probably an entire part of entire city rebuild of minifigures. So yeah, thanks for watching.